In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove login password on Windows 11, updated 2026 full guide. Before we begin, a quick note. Removing or changing your sign-in password lowers your device's security. Make sure you're on a trusted machine, you understand the risks, and you have an administrator account available in case you need to reverse the change later. Let's start by opening the classic User Accounts panel. Press the Windows key and R together to open the Run dialog. In the box that appears, type netpolwiz and press Enter. This command opens an advanced user accounts window that's been in Windows for years and gives you direct control over how accounts sign in. In the user accounts window, look for your profile in the list and click it to highlight it. If you use more than one account on this PC, double-check you're selecting the one you sign in with every day. If you don't see your account or the options are grayed out, it usually means you're not on an administrator account or your organization manages these settings. In that case, you'll need admin rights or to contact your IT admin before continuing. If you want to manage the actual password itself, use Windows Secure shortcut. Press Ctrl, Alt, and Delete together, and choose Change Password from the screen that appears. This takes you to a protected system page for updating your credentials. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully. If you're on a work or school device, your organization's policies might prevent changing passwords here. Also keep in mind that devices set up with Windows Hello, a PIN, or biometrics may still prompt for those methods even if the traditional password is altered, because those are separate sign-in options tied to your account. When you've finished making your changes, restart your Windows 11 PC to refresh everything. A full restart helps apply account and sign-in updates across the system. After the reboot, watch the sign-in screen to confirm the behavior matches what you expect. If you still see prompts you don't want, they may be related to other sign-in methods or security requirements that are managed separately. In that case, review your sign-in preferences and make sure you're comfortable with the balance between convenience and protection. That's it. You opened the User Accounts tool, selected the correct profile, used the Secure Change Password option, and restarted to confirm the update. Take a moment to verify you can access your desktop reliably. If needed, you can return to the same tools and adjust things again. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next guide.